Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw bonus money from Mostbet. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your web browser and go to official website of Mostbet. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this home page. Here, all you have to do is go directly to your menu icon at the top right, and then you're going to scroll down until you see where you can find bonuses. So you're just going to click on bonuses. There, you're going to find all these bonuses available, so you're just going to click on claim to select any one. This will include a 150% bonus on the first deposit. So just click on choose, then proceed with your first deposit. To do this, you're just going to select any payment method that suits you. Once done, you're going to complete your deposit and head directly to your home page. Now, you're going to find min matches, top sport, live matches, and much more. So you're just going to select any of them and place a bet on it. Next, you're going to click on place a bet to head directly to your bet slip. You're going to find the single bet option, but you can also click on accumulator to find all the bets you have placed directly in your accumulator. Next, you can find the bet amount and the possible winnings. So you're just going to play all your account balance, including the bonus here. Once these matches are completed and the results are successful, you will earn all the money directly in your main account. Once you have won, you're just going to click on your menu icon once more and scroll until you find the profile and withdraw section. Next, you're going to click on withdrawal, and here you're going to select the method by which you wish to withdraw your money, including your bonus money and profit. For this case, you can click on bank option, and here you're going to fill out all the required information and proceed to successfully withdraw your money from Mostbet. So that's basically how you can withdraw bonus money from Mostbet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.